Hello. Okay. To this night, I will tell you about how to see estimate revenue on YouTube. So, I repeat again. Good night, ladies and gentlemen. And then my brother. I'm glad came to meet you to this day. I hope you can help and always success your job to this day. Okay. Uh, we began to this Google. To this Google. So this you open here. YouTube. YouTube. Enter. Enter YouTube. Or this YouTube. Studio YouTube. YouTube this. You open here. YouTube here. You open here. This YouTube. So after that, you open YouTube. You must open here. Open here. This photo. You open here. This okay. You open to this YouTube studio. YouTube studio. You open here. Open here. So let's open here. YouTube studio. After that, you open the analytic. You open this analytic. Okay. After till here, you can see view to this channel 15 view 15,000 view. Watch time 196 and subscriber 170. So this you can see to your estimate revenue. We will tell you about your estimate revenue. You can open here. Learn more. Total estimate revenue, net revenue from all Google search and ads and transaction for the selected date, rank, and region. Estimate revenue are subject to month and adjustment and do not include partner, sold, and partner server advertising or transaction. So there you can hear previous to the process. After that you will see how does about that. You will see learn more. There. So this see how much money you made on YouTube. So this you can see your estimate earning on the revenue tab of YouTube Analytics. So you finalize earning appear in AdSense. So this you can see your estimate earnings. Number 1, sign in to YouTube Studio. Number 2, from the left menu select Analytics. Number 3, from the top menu select Revenue. After that, monthly estimate revenue. You can use the monthly estimate revenue report to get an idea of how your estimate earning have changed over time. After that, transaction revenue. You can use the transaction revenue report to get an overview of your estimate earning from channel membership and meals. After that, see your finalist earning. See your finalist earning. You can find finalist YouTube earning within your AdSense account. Number one, sign in to your AdSense account. Number two, on the left, select setting payment. Number three, you will see your total earning for the selected time frame and your last transaction. So about finalist earning. Finalist earning are not transferred to AdSense until about halfway through the following months. For example, earning accrued in June will be transferred to AdSense in May, July. Finalist YouTube earning for the previous month are added to your AdSense account balance between the 10th and 14th of the month. If you balance as receipt the payment threshold and you have no hold, the account balance will be paid out the month learn more about AdSense payment in the AdSense help center. So that after that you can see here estimate is finalist earnings. Estimate revenue in YouTube Analytics may differ from finalist payments due to final adjustment and is modified at the end of the month to match. Estimate revenue does not include partner sold or partner server advertising revenue. You can contact your partner manager if you have any question. So, correcting in invalid activity. Invalid on your channel may affect how your estimate revenue is displayed in YouTube Analytics. Invalid active is at a view or argument that typically do not represent genuine user interest or intent. It can include malicious behavior ranging from automatic click to bot traffic, or even smaller case like accident click or occurring other towards and on your channel. After that, YouTube proactively detect invalid activity and take steps to correct it. If this occurs on your channel, will make sure the estimate revenue you see is accurate as soon as possible. This call takes a while to process, so you may see your estimate revenue fluctuate when your finalist earnings are confirmed after the end of the month. In case of invalid activity and are still being sold, but the revenue general get refunded back to advertisers. So click out the AdSense Help Center to learn more about how to prevent invalid traffic on your ads. Metric to know. Metric to know every rank view duration. So estimate every rank minutes was view for the select video and that rank. After that, estimate monetize playback. A monetized playback is when a viewer your video. View and is saw at least one ad impression, or when the viewer quits watching during the pre-or ad without ever reaching your video. EAN abandonment. Playback based CPM. They estimate a brand gross revenue per thousand playback where the or more ads is sold. RPM. This RPM revenue for per mile, the amount of the money you earned from multiple revenue sold per 1000 video view. RPM is calculated as total revenue divided by total view times 1000. So transaction, number of transaction from 5 contact or server check for the selected rank and regions. View, the number of legitimate view for your channel or video. This after you can see waste time minutes. Waste time minute, the amount of the time that a view has watched a video. This gives you a sense of what content viewer actually watch, as opposed to video that they click on and they abandon. After that, your estimate revenue. Estimate revenue from AdSense and double-click ads for the selected rank and region. This number does not include revenue from any partner sold ads. After that, you can see your estimate revenue. Total estimate revenue or net revenue from all Google sold ads and transaction for the selected rank and region. After that, your revenue per transaction. Ever amount of a transaction from 5 content or super chat for the selected rank and region. After that, you can see your transaction revenue. Estimate net revenue from transaction such as paid contact and super chat, deducting any partner change refund for the selected rank and regions. First, your YouTube Premium revenue. Estimate revenue from YouTube Premium for the selected rank and regions. So that if you see here, because this channel the new monetize only yesterday, then now estimate revenue 75,303. Okay, I hope you can understand to see about how to see estimate revenue on YouTube. So, okay, thank you very much. Next time I come again. Thank you.